कांग्रेस सभापति सोनिया गांधी को टिप्पणी मामला रे रिपब्लिक टीवी एडिटर इन चीफ अर्णब गोस्वामी को माराथन जेरा मुंबई एनएम जोशी मार्ग पुलिस अर्णब को गतकाली दीर्घ 12.5 घंटा धरी जेरा करिछि। कांग्रेस अभियोग आधार में अर्णब गतकाली सकाळ 9:20 थाना को जाइथिबा बेले राति प्राय 10टा बेलू थाना बाहर को आसी। महाराष्ट्र पालघर अंचल में 2 साधु को पिटी पिटी हत्या करने मामला रे सोनिया नीरवता को नहीं रिपब्लिक टीवी शो रे तांकु समालोचना करथिले अर्णब। एने कांग्रेस पक्षरु तांको विरोध में अभियोग होइतिला। गतकाली एनएम जोशी थाना रे हाजर हेबा लगी मुंबई पुलिस अर्णब को 12 घंटा भितर दुई थर नोटिस जारी करितबा कथा रिपब्लिक टीवी पक्षरु सूचना मिली। तेबे से थाना को जिबा परे तांकु जेरा ना रे एभली हैरान करा जाउथिबा कहा जायछि। सेपटे अर्णब एवं तांकर पत्नी को आक्रमण करितबा घटना रे 2 अभियुक्तों को जामिन मिली। सोनिया को टिप्पणी मामला रे पूर्वरु अर्णब को 3 सप्ताह जाए गिरफ न करबा लागि सुप्रीम कोर्ट को पक्षरु तांकु अंतरीण सुरक्षा मिली।
As his interrogation continues, that's the both of them. They both are walking towards the barricade, and from here Arnab will move towards the studio. Walking towards us, and we don't know whether he will make a statement, whether he will be allowed to make a statement, but he will be going straight to the studios, and he will join you live on the debate.
It's been very long interrogation. What exactly the statement was recording there?
Well, I was called here. I have been interrogated for about 12 and a half hours today. I am here with my lawyer, Mr. Sujay Kantawala. I am grateful to Sujay for accompanying me for this 12 and a half hour interrogation. The interrogation that was done today was about my comments on Sonia Gandhi. I have made it very clear that I stand by my comments. I have made it absolutely clear that everything that I have said is correct. I have said to the police my side of the story. They are completely satisfied. I have cooperated with the investigation under the notice which was given to me yesterday. And every single question I have put, including some facts which I have presented, some evidence which I have presented here today. And I am completely confident that truth will prevail on this, that any attempts to intimidate will not work. I am grateful for the Mumbai police for hearing me today. And I'm grateful to my lawyer, Sujay Kantawala. Now, I do intend. I also want to say, I don't want to miss my show today. So I just need to have a little time to go quickly. I'm going to go home. I'm going to just get ready, take a shower, and I'm going to be back in the studios with 10 times the energy today because I've never felt more motivated than this. And I want to thank the Republic media colleagues. I want to thank so many people who've been trying to reach me. I did not have access to my phone for a considerable period of time through the interrogation.
But it's more than 12 hours.
Yes.
Do you think it's all about because of the political pressures from the
I
top
don't
bosses?
want to ascribe motive now,
Yeah.
but everybody who's watching here today knows exactly that I'm on the side of the truth. I stand by every single comment, and I'm absolutely sure that this comment and my investigation of my Republic Network team into the Palghar case will continue. मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ जितने हमारे दर्शक हैं कि हमने पुलिस के साथ पूरा कोऑपरेट किया है, कोऑपरेट अभी तक किया था। मैं कोई दबाव वबाव के बारे में कोई कमेंट नहीं करना चाहता इस वक्त, मगर मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि पालघर की सच्चाई जरूर बाहर आएगी और हमारी जो मुहिम है सच के लिए वो इससे बाद और भी जोर शोर से हमारी मुहिम इसके बाद होगी। कोई दबाव वबाव हमें कोई इम्पैक्ट ही नहीं होता। अब मैं जल्दी से जल्दी मुझे स्टूडियो जाना है, मैं जल्द घर जाना चाहता हूं, मगर सुजय कांटावाला से आप पूछिए, अपनी तरफ से वो रखेंगे मेरी बात।
Sujay, what happened? Yeah, so we started, the statement started at 9:30 in the morning and we have just left.
I'm busy.
बस